Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. The garden is waking up. The dogs are barking. And the greenhouse is overflowing. Let's take a peek. All right. So, let me see if I could bring it down some more. Ouch. Bring this down a little more. I think I'm tightening it. I don't know which way to go. Ow. Goodness. Okay. That thing is tight. Okay. Can you see? Are you recording? Yes. I'm crunching something. Oh, okay. So, this is one of the stackable planters. This is the one. Hold on. This is the one from Costco. Well, this is the Valencia orange. Let me see if I can bring it down some more. Okay, this is the stackable planter from Costco. It has lettuce. This is super red, I believe. And flashy gem. I have nasturtiums. No, you can't see it. I have nasturtiums down there. A basil. And this is the one that I made from Dollar Tree. It has head lettuce, chicory root at the top, some aphids. Ew. And then we still, oh, look at that. Look at the peas. Oh, nice. That's still doing good, which is great. And then we have Swiss chard and broccoli. We're putting this stuff out today, hopefully. We have the peppers, more of the tomatoes, celery, kale, cauliflower, sweet pea flowers. Stinging nettle is doing so good. Let me see. Am I showing that? Nope. Stinging nettle is doing super good. Then I have some microgreens in the corner coming up. My cilantro. And let's see. These are some head lettuce that are going out. Tomatoes and borax, the things that I up-potted. All right. Let's see, guys. We're stuck. We're stuck. This is a new tripod, and it was doing good. Okay. We have the trees coming to life, which is good. Blueberries coming to life. Hold on. But it did get set back a little bit. The flying dragon that was outside did die, but the one that was inside is doing great. And my blackberry died. The blackberry died, but not the blackcurrant. And the raspberry that I thought died in the corner back there has come back. I'm so glad for that. Let's see. Guys, I don't like tripods at all, but I'm like, I need my fingers, I need my hands to be free. So I was just giving a slight update on everything. I will do a full in-depth, full tour of the garden when the dog's not out barking and after we do a major cleanup. After we do a major cleanup. Because we need it. I'm putting all the mulch out. I have bags. Put bags of garbage that are in the way. It's still a few things to clean up. And then I am going to put the raspberry. Let me show you guys really quick. All right, I'm going to put this raspberry, the golden raspberry, in the same pot that the blackberry was in. And we'll see. Yeah, we'll go from there. But I just wanted to come on and show you a little bit what was going on, a little bit of green in the garden in the 5B, Iowa area. I did plant my potatoes already. I'm sorry, guys. I planted the potatoes already, but we will end up doing a second round of potatoes because we should. Okay, so this season we're going to try to get 2 rounds of potatoes. So I will take you with me when we pick them, harvest them, and then I will take you with us when we plant the other potatoes, and then it's a bee, and then when we plant the sweet potatoes, I'll take you guys with us. But I just wanted to come on to give you a slight update. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, girl, many blessings.